Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another try on haul. I feel like this rack is just a bunch of things. Yeah, I have some items from Urban, Asos, Nike, and Victoria's Secret. So we're gonna dive right in because, like we all know here on my channel, I don't like these hauls to be too much talking and I don't like them to be super long. So yeah, if you really like my try on hauls and you want to always be notified of when I upload one, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you can be notified when I actually do upload videos, because YouTube be playing people. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into the haul. So the first item that I have is this black midi dress from Urban Outfitters. It's ribbed is very casual. Well, you can dress it up or you can dress it down, but I'm always here for a simple black dress, and I got this one. It does have a little split in the back, which I don't mind at all. It kind of adds a little boop to the dress. So I have this dress in extra small. It fits nice and snug with a little room. It's not super tight. So here's the first item. Moving right along, I have this black maxi dress from Urban Outfitters, and I have this in an extra small as well. And this is like one of those linen wrap dresses. It's really cute on. Like, it's so cute. It has pockets and it wraps around the waist, so you can honestly get this as tight as you want it. So it just cinches you in and it's really cute on. They had this in a bunch of different like styles, and then it had patterns, but I opted for black because I love black. So yeah, I got this one. So moving right along, you guys know I love jeans, so I had to pick up a pair of jeans from Urban Outfitters, and I have the Girlfriend high-rise crop jeans. I got them in a size 24. They fit pretty snug. I feel like I probably could have got a 25, but who knows. So I got a 24 because that's my normal size. And yeah, these are pretty cute. Like I said, they're pretty snug, so they fit really well. There's not a lot of stretch in this at all. Let's see the materials, because I always tell y'all, make sure your jeans, oh, it has 1% spandex, so it has very little stretch in it. So if you're not really sure what you're sizing, like me, sometimes I'm pretty head on, I would definitely recommend trying them on in store. But these actually fit nicely. I'm not mad at it. I like the light medium wash of them, and yeah, they're really cute. So I have these jeans. And then next from Urban, I just have this gray cardigan, because y'all know we going into the fall weather, and these are just always nice to throw on, like to the movies, and you need something to throw on because it's always cold in there. So yeah, I have this gray cardigan in a size small because I wanted it to fit a little oversized. Like, it's already oversized, but I didn't want to get an extra small because I didn't want it to be like short. So I ended up getting a small. It's a nice length. It does cover your butt. So yeah, I got this. And then the last thing that I got from Urban is a pair of shoes. Well, I have two pair of shoes. So the first pair are just your basic black and white Vans. I've already been wearing these because mine are dirty, and I was like, let me whip out my fresh new pair. So I've already been wearing these. I just love these shoes. I throw them on with everything. I was actually wearing them today. So I get mine in a men's 5.5, which is equivalent to a women's 7. So the next pair of shoes I have are another pair of Vans. These are the classic slip-on Vans in black and white checker print. So I'm always on the go. I'm always looking for shoes that are easy for me to just put on and get out the door. So I picked these up. They're like an off-white cream color and black and white, but they're cute and they're easy to slip on. I got these in the same size, a men's 5.5, a women's 7, and yeah, they're just cute shoes to just put on. Moving right along, I literally have two things from Asos because I ordered a bunch of stuff and most of it didn't fit, so I'm sending it back. So it's already packaged up and ready to go. So I can't show you guys that stuff because I'm not keeping it. So the first thing, there's only two things. I have this blue Adidas 3-stripe shirt, and I have it in a size small, and I just thought the color was really cute. I got a pair of shoes, so that's the main reason why I got this top to go with the shoes that I got. So this box been like, my box got beat up, okay? Shipping must have been hard work. That 2-day shipping, they just must fling your stuff all over the place. So I ended up getting the Adidas Falcon shoes, and I think this is the collab with Kylie Jenner. So I really didn't want to get on the ugly dad shoe trend, but these were super affordable. They're $100, and the color combo is so cute. It's so fun, and I was just like, $100, I can definitely get on this trend because it's an affordable trend. So here's the shoes, and I just think they go perfectly with this top. Okay, it's perfect. It's like the perfect match. So I got these in a 7. I feel like they do run a little big. They run slightly big, and they're a little wide, honestly. But I mean, I could put on thick sock and make it work, because I tried to go back on the website and get a 6.5, and they were sold out already. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully they restock and I can get a 6.5, but if not, I'm just gonna have to rock these 7s and make it work. But yeah, I just think they're super cute. I love all the colors. It has yellow, blue, a darker blue, orange, like a mint green, hot pink. They're just so cute and so fun. I just had to snatch them up. So I got these from Asos. I think I looked today. They only have like 2 sizes left. So if you're interested in them, hopefully this video goes up today. You guys can go ahead and jump on that. But moving right along, I ordered one thing from Nike. So yeah, I have these tight. What are these? These are Nike tights, and I have them in a size extra small, and these are the Just Do It tights. They're in size extra small. They fit high-waisted. They're super cute on. They're not see-through, and I love these little leggings. They're super cute. I need like them in every color. So yeah, I have those tights. And with the tights, I got this sweatshirt to go with it, and it just has the Just Do It logo all over it. I thought this was so cute. I got it in a size small, and yeah, I just absolutely love the like logo everywhere trend. So the next thing I got are some items from Pink. I watched Ivy's haul when she did like a Pink haul, and literally everything she had in the haul I was like, oh my god, I need. But a lot of stuff was sold out, so like I kept checking, and I got lucky and I lucked up on some of the pants that she had. So I love, if you guys hear noise, it's people with the blowers disrespecting my recording time. So yeah, I got some of the tights, and I love high-waisted anything. So these are the campus high-waist legging pants. I think I have to look it up. If they're still online, I will definitely link it below, but they literally were like coming back with like random sizes. So I have this gray color, and it just has like these stripes down the side and around the butt, and then the side just says Pink. These are really, really cute. I love them. I got them in an extra small, and they fit perfectly. They're nice and snug, and I just love like legging pants. Like these are mainly the ones that I get from Victoria's Secret, the campus legging, because they tie and they fit really cute, and they're not like leggings, they're like legging pants, so you can get away with like wearing them without having to, you know, like cover up. So I got this color. This is the color Ivy has, and I love them so much. I got these in an extra small as well, and I just love all the colors on it. It has like lilac, white, and this neon pink, and then it says pink around the waist as well. And these pants are just so cute. I just love them so much. So if they still have them online, I will link them down below. But these was hard to come up on. You definitely have to keep checking. So I also got this sweatshirt. I thought it would match with these pants, but it kind of doesn't. So it's still cute. I can wear it on its own with a pair of like regular black leggings, because I have a lot of pink leggings. So yeah, I just love this color block feature on it. It has red and purple, and it's just really cute. It's a half zip sweatshirt. I got it in a size small. So then I have this t-shirt here, and this is in like a green, I can't even explain the color. It's like a, I don't know, like a sage color. And I have a pair of pink leggings that I got last year that has this color, and I could never find anything to go with it. So when I saw this shirt, I was like, that's a perfect match. So I got this shirt in a size small because they only had a small, well, the smallest they had was a small, so I had to just go ahead and snatch it up, and I just love this color. So got this top, and then I have a sweatsuit. This is the last thing I got. I have a sweatsuit. These are the skinny joggers. I got them in an extra small, and they are just like a heathered gray, and they say pink down the pant. And yeah, just really cute. Something to just throw on or wear to the airport or just lounge around in. So I have the pants, and then I got the matching hoodie, and it has the same stripe down the arm. It's kind of curved, so I like that. So yeah, I have this sweatshirt. I got this in a size small. Nope, I got an extra small. So yeah, this is kind of oversized. It's big for extra small, so I like that. So yeah, that's it. That's all the things that I have. So yeah, I think I have like one more summer haul of summer items, because I mean, it's still hot. It's 90 degrees here, and I'm in Georgia. So yeah, I have one more summer haul, and then after that, I think I'm just going to start doing like fall hauls, and then I'm going to bring some lookbooks, because you guys keep asking me about lookbooks, and I just don't have anybody to film them for me. So I think I found someone. So yeah, I'm going to start doing lookbooks for you guys, so I can actually show you how I would style the items that I get, because you know, you guys want to see, so you're going to see. But yeah, I'll be sure to list all the items that I have in the description box. Hopefully I can find a link for some of them, like some of the pink stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.